Unajua sometimes nasikiaga wasi wakisema sijui family ndio inaweza kuwa downfall ya msee. Wanasema sijui family members wanaweza kustab in the back. But mimi nakwanga against hiyo kitu, na feeling family is a very interesting setup. Like ukiwa na family, ukiwa karibu na family, hata kama maybe unapitia struggle fulani, huo unasahau, tunafeel uko tu sawa. Hebu sikia vile tumekaa manze.
Uncle Brayo, sisi ni familia yako, si ndio?
Oh. Yeah, Chantel. Sisi ni family.
We know they talk every time, but you're always on my mind. Or me at your side, and I could turn up just to make you smile. But me go, go, go. I promise me I go show you love. And if anybody try you, you know we go be your side. See my shoulder, make you rest on me. You know I got ya. Now me be your friend in need. The money don't show.